Good morning, family, friends, new friends. Today is currently Wednesday morning, and husband already dropped off the kids for me this morning. I do have only 2 clients today. I'm quick, easy, and simple. It's not going to take a majority of my day. And then try to get back home after getting the kids from school. We're going to have chicken quesadillas on the menu tonight. Something quick, easy, and simple. And then we're going to head off to Bible study. So spend another day with your girl. And if you liking these vlogs and you looking at these vlogs, say hey. Don't be a stranger. But it's good vibes over here. And let's get this day going. All right. And I hope you have a good day. And if you're not having a good day, don't go messing up somebody else's day. All right, let's go. Woo, Jesus. Y'all, it's cold out here. Okay, let's go to the shop. Hey y'all, so I am currently done for today. I actually ended up taking a last minute client that you just seen. I did a lace wig install, so I'm gonna run to the store real quick so that I can get the rest of the stuff for the chicken quesadillas so I can hurry up and get that going before we go to Bible study. So let's go. Yeah, baby. All right, y'all, we headed to Bible study. And I'm gonna see you later. Bye.